Hello everyone. Today we are going to paint some easy watercolor florals with minimal colors. Let's get started. I have chosen a bright yellow color and I'm starting to paint some loose petals. You don't have to be specific about it. You can draw petals of any shape and size. Just be sure that you don't have too much water on your brush. Just make sure to dab the brush on a tissue paper every time you wash it or you dip your brush to get some new paint, because excess water may spoil the painting. Now I add some red color to the base of the petal for a visual interest. You have to add in this red color when the paper is wet. Only then it gets naturally blended. If the paper is dry, as in the top two flowers, it forms hard edges. Now we are going to add in some stems and leaves. I have mixed two different shades of green and I'm going to draw some fine line from the base of the petal to the bottom of the paper. We don't have to be specific here because these are all loose watercolors. There's nothing right or wrong. Do as you please. Now we are going to add in some leaves. Touch, add pressure and lift. Touch, add pressure and lift. It's very simple. You have to practice a few times to get it right. Again, I'm adding some leaves of different sizes for visual interest. I'm also getting a mix of two different greens to add a variety. It's all your choice. It's your painting after all. Next, we're going to add in some fillers. I've chosen blue and red for a variety, and simply they are small leaves or simple branches or small flowers or buds. We can add them in places where you feel is empty. It's always good to choose a different color of filler so that it gives a vibrance to your painting. You can already see this blue color has lifted up this painting. Also, do not add too much fillers as it may spoil your painting. Just add them where it is needed. And there, you're done now.